Ji. Now, if you go back to 1990, both India as well as China, we started a liberalization, and both their economies were very comparable, like in terms of size, like in terms of per capita GDP, in terms of population, we were identical. If you look at the per capita GDP, India was about 300 to 310, and if you look at China, it was about 330, so slightly less than 10% larger than us. And if you look at the forecasts that were made at that particular point in time by the pundits, most said that India will be better than China like over the next few decades. And the reasons they gave was India is a democracy. Okay, we are an English-speaking country. We had a large middle class that was extremely well educated, and we were at the start of a software boom where India had an unassailable advantage as compared to China. And all these reasons were given to state as to why India would be much better than China like over the next few decades. But if we just fast forward up to today, after 35 years, the Chinese GDP as well as the per capita GDP is 5 times that of India's, 5 times. And this is without even accounting for the currency in today. And what I mean by that is, if you look at the Chinese currency, it is undervalued. Okay, they are running $1 trillion trade surplus. Okay, I would suspect they could at least grow 50% vis-a-vis the US dollar. Say from about 6.8 to they can go to 3.5. Okay, without having a major impact on the economy. Us, I think, is slightly overvalued. So even without accounting for these factors, okay, they have a per capita GDP that is 5 times that of India's. And if you account for this, maybe it's 8 to 10 times. So where did we miss the boat? Despite having those huge advantages when we started, where did we go wrong? I think this is a very fundamental question that all of us need to ask and find answers for.